is that a Chinese company, I think the name is Xiaomi, they have essentially developed something that allows you to charge your phone from a distance. So basically, you can have your phone laying on the table 3 meters away, and there is some sort of device in your bedroom that can charge your phone from afar. I'm not exactly sure yet if I would want to have something like that in my bedroom. Either way, if you have watched until here, please don't forget to like the video and post some star emojis in the comments if you want to help me out. Thank you so much in advance. And the next one is titled, Crazy Lady Lit My Buddy's land on fire so he burned down her world. Buckle up, this one is long. I was visiting a friend who owns and operates a trailer park. Basically, his house is the main office. The couple had just moved into the lot with their mobile home. The dude seemed fine, and him and his girlfriend had just had their first kid. Well, at 3 a.m., just a few hours after I arrived, the boyfriend showed up at my friend's house, the main office. Apparently, he had a DNA test done, and he found out the kid was not his. So, while the girlfriend was still in the hospital, he started effing around on her to get back at her. Well, earlier that day, she got released from the hospital and he refused to go pick her up. So she walked from the hospital to the trailer park, easily 20 miles, and found him effing this girl. She went totally insane. She started trashing their tiny mobile home while he and his mistress quickly got their clothes on, and the boyfriend opted to drive the mistress back to her place. When he got back, his soon-to-be ex-girlfriend locked him out of their mobile home, so at 3 a.m. he showed up at the front office to call the police. My buddy woke me up, filled me in on the situation, and I went out to his living room to keep the dude company. I explained that if the kid is not his and he signed the birth certificate, he has 60 days to remove himself from the birth certificate, otherwise he will be on the hook for child support. I also explained that while calling them also a good idea, they likely won't be able to remove her from the mobile home since she had established residency. Well, the cops showed up, knocked on the door, she answered, and the cops just did a welfare check on the kid. They left and he was allowed back into the mobile home by his soon-to-be ex. It would have been nice if that was the end, but nope, not even close. Not even 30 minutes after the cops left, the dude came back up to the main office and said he needed to call the cops again. She stole his car. From what he said, she even tried to run him over before she sped off into the night. Before the cops could get back to the park, she came back and she started doing donuts in my buddy's yard. She ran over his garden and just screwed up his yard in general. She finally stopped about a minute before the police arrived. The cops got out of their cruisers and arrested this chick on the spot. The charge? Misdemeanor malicious mischief. They charged her for ruining my buddy's garden, and that was it. A day passed and Crazy Lady got released on bond. She came back to their mobile home and got right back into it with her soon-to-be ex. During the fight, she started scratching at her throat until she had left a lasting mark. She called the cops, claimed he laid hands on her, and the cops came and arrested him for domestic violence. The cops took the kid and placed him in protective custody. As an aside, I know that she fabricated the "he beat me" story because she bragged about it after the cops left. She even went so far as to call the dude's parents and brag about getting their son locked up. Now, my buddy is freaking out. He's got a crazy lady on his property. Crazy lady has no income and she just had their only source of income locked up and subsequently fired for being locked up. There is no way in hell they are going to pay rent anytime soon. He wants her gone, but legally he has no recourse because they are not past due on rent. Another day passed, homie was still locked up, and Crazy Lady had started throwing all of their clothes into the yard of the lot and partially onto my buddy's property. My buddy told her she needed to clean up her yard by 6 p.m. or he would write up a violation. She ignored him. An hour or so after that, I was helping my buddy move some stacks of bricks in his backyard, which was right next to the lot her boyfriend had rented, and the entire time she was just talking to herself. She was not talking to herself in a normal way though. And by the way guys, is talking to yourself ever really normal? Anyway, no, she was yelling random stuff like, "Minimum wage and they fired me, $10.75 an hour and they fired me." $35K a year and they fired me, mother truckers.